Hi.
It's not even filming.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I got it.
No, but it's filming.
Oh yeah, it is. Hi.
Hi. This is a bird's eye view of the basketball net. And this pillow is here because if the camera falls, it'll land on something soft like this pillow. And the door is locked, so no one can open it. That, see? This is cool. Oh yeah, do you like our tape?
Is it gonna fall?
Nope.
How about I hit the iPod?
What?
Oh yeah. Oh, I just hit the iPod.
Oh my god!
Okay, no throwing, just dunking. Okay. Oh, you can just do it like this, so don't hit the iPod. Okay.
If you hit the iPod, you leave.
I hit the iPod before.
I know.
Like,
You
oh my
gotta
God.
fix it.
You don't have to fix it. It's perfect.
You gotta fix the iTouch. It's crooked.
Are you serious? There. Let's take this center off.
Alright, yeah. Center's no good. Now you could leave the center circle.
Yeah.
Or whatever it is. Because that, to me, looks like a dome. Wow, this is really cool. This is so good for YouTube.
I know. Ooh.
And then the pillow. Wait, let's test it. This is the iTouch. Oh my gosh! Alright, let's try this again. This is the iTouch. Falls, lands softly on the pillow. The stained fruit punch pillow. See?
It's his pillow.
Yeah, it's mine.
These are my pillows.
Yes, NFL and Jets pillows. Wow, look at this thing.
View.
Yeah.
I goes more with the chew pointer.
What?
I'm going with the chew pointer.
I'm gonna go for the 3-pointer.
Don't hit the iPod.
I don't.
Almost. Chew pointer. This is so going on YouTube.
Look at this view. That's my phone.
That's creepy.
It's big time rush. Oh, Ashton.
Hi, Esther.
Hello.
Do I play?
Yeah. I'm actually at my friend's house sleeping over right now. But in like 15 minutes I'm leaving, so yeah.
Don't mind him.
And this is like a weird phone call because we're making a video. So can I hang up on you? I'll call you later. Okay? Bye.
Is that Ashton I know?
Butt munch.
I know Ashton.
Yeah.
Oh!
Such a butt munch sometimes. He calls it the most awkward times.
You know who's a butt munch? Ben.
Oh yeah. No. He's just a butt plain. He's just a plain butt.
How'd that miss?
Just look at that. Like, I can't even believe we thought of that. View.
We just put it in the door.
I know.
All we're doing is dunking.
I think this video.
And this is gonna...
Oh no! You know what we should call this?
And look, this fixes the sound.
What, the tape?
No, pillow.
Oh. You know what? We should call this video Bird's Eye View Dunking. That's what we should call it. Alright?
And sometimes shot. Bird's eye view dunking and sometimes shots.
Bird's Eye View. Bird's Eye View. No. Bird's Eye View Basketball.
Yeah.
That's what we should call it.
What? We should put the No, it should be called Bird's Eye View Skills Pro Mini Hoop Basketball.
Alright.
Because maybe if I want to enter it into the challenge, maybe win a $500 gift card to Amazon.
this out because whenever it gets crooked.
Keep moving. I know this video sucks.
No, it's awesome.
Why? Because the bird's eye view?
Yup.
But we suck at the shots though.
Doesn't it look like a W?
Yes.
It's
Really?
supposed to be an M.
Really though.
True. Yeah, we go to Wheeler.
Look down, that's gonna check us down, dog.
No, they won't.
We go to Willow.
The Willow Wildcats. The Howell
Matthew,
Owls.
best. That's his
You
change.
want to know why they're, you know,
Matthew.
do you want to know what the Howells are? Howl is the Howell Owls. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Just listen. Howell Owls. Howell Owls.
I'm going for the two.
We're the Wheeler Blue Jays.
Oh, almost hit the camera. Oh, Matthew.
What? I thought that was going to be a free throw.
Oh, God. Get it. It's good.
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, the camera just shook.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, look. It looks like... Look, Matthew, watch.
What?
It's going to go backwards, this dunk.
Watch this.
I did it backwards.
Look, you can't even see my arm.
Yeah. Your leg's big time mush.
Me?
Yeah.
How?
You.
Oh yeah, that was my ringtone. I don't love it though. Crooked for a camera.
So I forgot to like that noise inside of one like that. But it's fine. I just posting it because it's a bird's eye view.
Yeah, bird's eye views are awesome. The bird is. This is a bird recording.
Why is it saying place? Look, fist of your head. Oh, that looks so cool. Up and out.
Bayonet.
Fist of fury.
Let me try.
Oh my God.
Crooked again.
Why is it always getting crooked?
Because it's hitting. Ow, I just hurt my rib cage.
Okay, we're gonna do like 5 more dunks, okay?
Alright, and then we're going to stop because it already has 8 minutes.
1. Well, actually, we're just going to do 2 dunks each.
Alright. That was your one and that was my one.
And
Your second dunk?
I already did it.
Oh.
Comment, rate, and subscribe.
Fist of fury.
And now we got 10 minutes. Camera off.
Hold on!
Bye.
My mom's here.
I know.
Just in time.
Bye.